So, good, the recording has started. Okay, so yesterday we talked about web design layout, also trying to get some other functionalities, talking about the appearance, the font, the color, and trying to make sure if you want to be a good web designer, you must be creative. Your creative power must be activated, because that is what makes you stand out from every other designer. Because trust me, there are lots of designers out there. What makes you different is your creativity, your ability to apply creativity in your own designs. Okay, so straight away, we proceed with the practical class, because there's an extent of result I want us to achieve today. All right, so now there are different CMS to designing or developing any website. So now, one of the simplest CMS is the same CMS used. So when I say CMS, I'm not talking of the bus stop or Balinde CMS. No, CMS means content management system. Content management system, that is CMS. So there are different CMS used in designing any website. So for instance, Google, they have their own CMS. Their CMS is called Blogger. If you remember, or if you have checked out Linda Ikeji's website, that is lindaikejisblog.com. If you check out her website, it is used by Google. That's Blogger. That is the CMS she used in designing her website. And of course, that website is chunking in millions of naira or dollars every month, every week, let me say. Okay, so for this tutorial, for this 3 days class, which started yesterday, and today being the day 2, the practical class, the CMS we're going to be using is called WordPress. WordPress. It's spelled as WordPress. So WordPress is a content management system. It is used to design any form of website. When I say any, I mean any type of website. Okay, so I want us to go straight away to how to install WordPress. So now, in order to get WordPress, like I mentioned yesterday, you need a domain and you need a hosting. So to get a domain and hosting, you reach out to a hosting company, you buy your hosting server from them, and you buy your domain from them. But for this class, I mentioned to us that I'm going to show us how to design a full-blown website without paying one kobo. Okay, you will design a full-blown website without paying one kobo, and your website will be live. Okay, though it will be live to you alone. All right, so I want us to head straight to our browser. Please, whatever browser you're using, try to make sure it is Chrome. Okay, try to make sure it is Chrome. And so let me quickly share my screen. Let me share my screen so we make sure we are on the same page. Just a few seconds, please. Let me share my screen. Okay, so this is my screen. Okay, this is my screen. So now this screen, as you can see on the browser, if you check out this URL here, it is localwp.com. Localwp.com. So this website helps you to download WordPress to your system. So this it helps you to download the WordPress plugin as a CMS on your system. So by default, you have WP, you have WordPress installed on your system. Okay, so that means you don't need to go and start looking for how to download or how to start installing or buy one issue, one thing or the other. All right, so now in order to install WP to your system, you just come here where you see this download button. This download button, you click on download. So now you will see this screen. Okay, now this is the screen. You would see this button where you see, please choose your platform. You click on it. All right, please make sure you follow step by step. And if you follow this process step by step, just as I'm showing you, you won't make any mistake. It is very easy to click, Very easy to install, very easy to navigate, and very easy to do whatever I want to do. Install your WordPress and make your website live, up and running. Okay, so now we now have when you click on this arrow, you see Mac. For those that are using Mac, that's an Apple laptop. You choose this. For those that are using Windows, you click this. All right. So now this is the one you click on, Windows. You click on Windows. Good. So now once you click on it, it takes you to where you enter your name, you enter your first name, you enter your last name, you proceed to your work email. Make sure whatever email you are entering, it must be a working email, preferably a Gmail address. All right. And I want to beg you, before you proceed with this, make sure to create a business Gmail account. For instance, let's say, okay, I have Pact Academy. Okay, now we have Pact Academy. We could say pactacademy@gmail.com, but because that Gmail is not available, what we now did, we used info.pactacademy@gmail.com. All right, so that is the Gmail ID, or that's the email ID from Gmail or Google that we use. So what it does is this: if tomorrow you now want to run SEO, search engine optimization, on your website, that is the email ID that helps you, all right, to run a proper SEO on your website. All right, so now you enter your email, your work email, you enter your phone number, and once you do that, you click on Get It Now. All right, so once you are done getting it now, you will definitely, for me, I'm not going to go ahead to install it or download it because I already have it on my laptop installed. Okay, so once you get it, you will see it somewhere here by the left hand or the right hand or at the top here, depending on the functionality of your laptop, depending on how your system is configured. You either see it somewhere here or you see it below by the left or by the right. So once you now click on it, open it, install it on your system. Okay, so once you install it, you will then see what's it called? You would see. Let me stop this and reshare my screen to show you exactly where I am, to show you what I needed to see. Okay, so let's go to my desktop. Oops, my desktop is not. Oh, okay. Okay, so it's not allowing me to show you my desktop. Okay, so but that's fine. So now, once you install it, you would see the icon. So I will open it on my own system, then I will show you where else we'll visit. All right. Okay, so let's hold on for a few seconds. It's good. It is live now. So let me stop this and reshare my screen so as to show it to us. Okay, awesome. Perfect. So once you install it, hello, I want to be sure we are all together. Please, if you are with me, let me hear you say, I am with you. Hello, are we all together? Uh-oh. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. So once you install the plugin, you download the WP, local WP plugin. Like for me, I have used it to design this site, AeroLead. That same website I showed you yesterday, Sweet Education. This is where I designed it. So after I am done designing any website on this local hosting, I can install it. I can move the entire website using a particular plugin. When we get there, I will show you. Then I move this entire website to a live website where everybody all around the world can now view it. So once you install Oh, all right. Okay, Pastor Sam. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So please kindly join us with your laptop. Kindly try to connect. So we'll proceed with this. Like I said, I'm going to send us the, I'm going to upload this class. So it is being recorded. I'm going to upload it on YouTube, and then I will send the link to everyone in the group so you can download it. Okay. So good. And now, this is the dashboard, or this is the interface you get when you install the plugin on your system or your laptop and you click on open. This is what you get. So now on your left hand corner where you see this plus icon, once you place your cursor on it, your mouse on it, let me just say, this is what you get. Add local site. All right, so you click on that button. Good. And then you see this blinking cursor. All right, take for instance now, okay, please kindly give me a few seconds, please. Guys, just a few seconds. All right. Okay, I am back. Okay, so now once you click, let's say you want to design a site from scratch. Now, this particular place where the cursor is blinking, what you are to do there is to type the name of your website. For instance, mine, let's just say the Joshua, let me go in block letter, the Joshua team. Okay, so now mine would be the Joshua team, and I click on this arrow. Okay, so if you discover, you will see local site domain. So this is the local site domain. So everything you're going to be developing, this is your local site domain. Okay, so you now click on continue. So as it is, you don't need to do anything. Just where you see this preferred, leave it exactly where it is preferred. Do not click on any other button. Please, I repeat, do not click on any other button. Just make sure you leave it the way it is. Okay, so you now click on continue. Now, where you have WordPress username, say for instance, mine would be Joshua team. Okay, sorry, the Joshua team. Yes, so that is my own what's it called, the URL. Okay, so okay, let me say pactagency@gmail.com. All right, so now, oh no, let me use Pact Academy, info.pactacademy@gmail.com. All right, awesome. So now, where you have the WordPress username, you enter a username. So this username is just like where you want to log into your bank app or your bank internet banking. You have a username and a password. All right. So it means before you can log into your WordPress website to design anything at all whatsoever, or to edit anything, either you add, remove, do anything, you must have a login detail. So one, I want to beg you, make sure to open a Microsoft document on one side. Open a Microsoft document on one side, okay? And so you now copy this username, all right? This WordPress username, and of course, the, what's it called? The WordPress password. So mine, I want to enter the WordPress password. Let's say, so I have entered. So this is my own password. All right. So this is my own password for this WordPress site we are going to develop. All right. So I want to change it. Okay. So now I have entered the choice password I want. Then I click on add sites. So you hold on. as you can see on the screen, it's creating your services. So it is saying, it says provisioning services. So just hold on for it to load your website. All right. So guys, to design any website, it is very, very interesting and easy if you know what you are doing. Okay. Okay, awesome. So I got this prompt. So just whatever prompt you get, just let it be. Okay. So just don't worry. You get this, just click on yes, continue. So what that prompt means is it is trying to create a local host on your system. Okay. So now it is downloading WordPress. So just hold on for it to install WordPress on your system. So now your laptop is going to be the local server where everything you do, it will be installed, it will be run and managed. All right. So let's hold on. So now I can see adding WordPress. Adding WordPress. Let's just keep it. So neglect this one. You know, sometimes network can just try to play smart. Sorry guys, I had to take a cup of water. Awesome. Awesome. I'm loving this. Okay, so I love this. So now guys, we have, all right, okay. I'm sure someone is joining us. All right, guys. So this is lovely. I am enjoying this. So now this, we have a full a WordPress installed on our server. Our laptop is the host. Now take a look at this dashboard. On the left-hand corner, you can see one site running, right? So this is your domain URL. It is the-joshua-team.local. All right. So your normal domain is supposed to end with .com, .ng, .com.ng, .net, .org, .biz, .info. But since it's a local hosting, all right. So here we have .local. Okay. So this is your database. Let's not go there. All right. And your tools, everything. But that is not what we are here to talk about. All right. Okay. So now, as it is, your website is live, guys. Wow. I love this. I love this. So now, as it is, for me, I want to copy. I want to copy this. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this. Then I will go to my, what's it called? Okay, or let's just take it back then. And you now click on open, click on admin. Click on the admin button. All right, so just hold on. Good. Remember I said something about before you log in, you must save. Make sure to save your login details by the side. Else, if you come to this page, there's nothing you can do, and that's the end, guys. Okay, guys, please just a few seconds. Sorry guys, I'm sorry about that break. Okay, so now where you have this, you see where you have username or password. So mine is the Joshua team. Okay, then I enter my password. Like I said, make sure your username and password is saved. Guys, your username and your password must be saved, else you won't access your login details. All right. So whatsoever, okay, yeah, that is it. And make sure to click on this remember me so you don't need to log in all the time. Whenever you need it, just come log in, log out. So once you just come in, you are there. Then you click on log in. Hold on for it to load. Hold on to take you to the dashboard. Perfect. Awesome. So there we go, guys. We have successfully installed WordPress on our local server. Sorry guys for that sound. Okay, so we have successfully installed WordPress on our local server. This is awesome. This is awesome. So now okay, guys, so this finally is awesome. Now we have our website, our dashboard, WordPress installed successfully on, and this is it on the browser, okay? So we are now good to start work fully, all right? Good. So now, I will also want you to make sure you see this URL at the top where you have the Joshua-team-local/WP-admin. Please make sure to copy it. It is very, very important. Copy this login. The same place where you saved your username and your password on the Microsoft document, open it and make sure you paste this URL exactly as it is. Paste it there, then save it. Okay? Make sure to save it. It will help you. Now, the reason for it is, let's say tomorrow you want to come and log into your website and you don't want to open the WordPress app, you don't want to log into the WordPress plugin. Maybe you don't want to go through that process. You just want to go straight using your browser. All you need to do is just copy this URL wherever you save it, go to your browser, paste it there. Then once it opens, it will open where you need to enter your login and your password, your username and your password. Then you just go copy your username, paste, copy your password, paste, you are good to go. But if you know you don't want to go through that process, you think it is, it's a long thing, a long process, just go straight to your WP plugin, all right? Open it, click on run site, and you are good to go. Okay, guys? So finally, this is your WordPress backend, the dashboard, all right? This is where you get to start making things happen. So now I want us to check the front end. I want us to check the front end of how the website looks like. See how ugly this is. Man, this is so ugly. Come on. I can't see myself using this. So no. I can't see myself using this. This template is so ugly. Anyway, this is the template given to us for free. It's a gift. It's a gift anyway. Yeah. Thank you, WordPress. Thank you, WordPress. Thank you, WordPress. So this is a free WordPress template given to everyone to start playing with. It's given to us by WordPress, okay? So you might want to say WordPress, thank you, gracias. But for this class, it's a no, no, no. We are not going to use this. All right. So yesterday I talked about using Elementor. Talked about page builder. We talked about page builder. We talked about plugins. We also talked about templates. So now here you're going to see how those elements work. Okay. So now first I want us to change this template. Okay. I want us to change the entire look of this template. It is so easy, guys. So you come here. Okay. Now look at the left-hand corner. This is where we are going to be adding, removing anything you want to do. All right. So where you have this appearance, click on it. Click on appearance. Good. So that template we saw, this template, this is it here. You see, this is it here. So it is given to us for free. That's the gift given to us for free by WordPress. Okay. So, but hey, you need to change this. All right. So just click on, go to the top and you click on add new. Add new. All right. So you hold on for it. Awesome. Awesome. So now where you have this search theme, where you have this search theme, you place your cursor there and type hello Elementor. So there are various free templates. You can decide to choose any one of your choice, whichever one you know you are interested in, you like to use. Good, you are fine to choose and to use any one of your choice. Okay, so now we'll click on install. So now we want to change the template. Just hold on and watch the magic. For this class, everybody's a magician. Okay, so now after you have installed Elementor or you have installed this template, now look at something. Just take a look at. Let's refresh. Let's refresh. You see, it has changed. Wow, you're able to get some, some shape. Okay, so now it says this prompt says thanks for installing Hello theme. So now it says install Elementor. Guys, so the truth is, yes, you need to install Elementor. So now let's click on install Elementor. So Elementor is the most popular page builder in the world for every web designer, anyone who develops websites. Elementor is the simplest drag and drop page builder in the world. All right, it's the easiest drag and drop. So Elementor just has this library where you just go, you just pick a particular template, you bring it, you drag, you drop. Pick, you drag, you drop. Pick, you drag, you drop. So that's what Elementor does. All right. So let's hold on. After we are done, you see activate plugin. So click on activate plugin and hold on for it to activate. Okay. So guys, let's hold on. It is still activating. Good. Okay, so it is asking you for you to create an account. So for me, I don't want to create any account. Oh, so that means I must create. Okay. Okay, perfect. So I don't need to create an account. Nice, nice. This is nice. So now, if you take a look at, click on your dashboard, and I want you to look at something. Perfect. So you see this new interface. It means Elementor has been successfully installed. All right. So by the left-hand corner, you have the Elementor. So that shows Elementor is now fully installed. So now, one thing I want us to know very well is this. Look at this top here, where you have the Joshua team. You have this arrow or this dash, and you have just another whatever it is. Okay. So I want us to remove this just whatever. Okay, just another WordPress site. It is not professional enough. In order to get rid of that, we are coming to the end of today's class anyway. So in order to get rid of that, you come to where we have settings. You come to where we have settings. Click where you have settings. Don't click on it. Once you place your cursor on settings, you hover straight to general. Click on general. Good. Now, this is what we saw. You place your cursor there, your mouse, and erase it. Then scroll down and click on save. Click on save. So now let's go back to the home page and we refresh. Awesome, it is gone. This is it, it's gone, it's no more there. So now let's go back to that settings again, where you have permalink. Where you have permalinks, click on permalinks. Permalinks. Oh, okay, it's already set. Sometimes you might see this button plain, or you see date and name, or you see month and name. It is not proper. Make sure you choose post name. Make sure you choose post name and then click on save. So that is that for that part. All right. So now today we've been able to achieve how to install WordPress on a local server on our system, making sure our system serve our laptop or desktop serve as a server to any WordPress website. Okay, so at the same time, we've been able to install a page builder, which is Elementor. We've also been able to install or change a template or a theme for a website, and the theme we are going to be using is called Hello Elementor. It is owned, it is developed a free template by Elementor Page Builder. So what this helps us to achieve is since the page builder we're using is Elementor, and the template we're also using is owned by Elementor, so that means your website becomes faster. It is a lightweight template. Hello Elementor is a lightweight template. All right, so it is very, very fast. Whenever you load, you refresh, it is very, very fast. It responds so quick. That's what makes it a lightweight template. Okay, so now, guys, so that's the end for today's class. Tomorrow, I will now show us how to now start installing or how to start creating a page. That was the one I showed you yesterday, how to, what's it called? And the about, the contact us, the services, and every other thing. Tomorrow, I'm going to show us how to install, how to set up that, how to create, and how to, design or customize those parts. All right. So today we have come to the end of the class, and I want to say a very, very big thank you to everyone that are live with me on this class. And I'll just, before we call it a day, I want to give the opportunity. If you have any question, please, this is your time. Ask. Feel free to ask me whatever question you have. Okay, so it seems nobody has any question. Okay, that is fine. So like I said, I'm going to upload this. I'm going to upload this on YouTube, and then I will send the link to everyone so we can watch from scratch. Once again, thank you for joining me in today's class. Tomorrow, by the grace of God. Sir. Thank you so much, sir. You're welcome, sir. So tomorrow, by the grace of God, will be another awesome time. All right. So after upload, I'll send the link to every one of us so we can follow suit and do exactly I have done so as to achieve these results. So thank you, and do have a lovely evening.
And you too, sir.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
Yes, sir.